Alright, what we've got here is a 2014 Holden Commodore SV6 with 181,000 Ks on the clock. It's been owned since 2015 by my wife, who has had it serviced and driven it and done what normal people do. Never been in an accident or anything like that. There's a tiny little mark there you can kind of see if you look at it in the right light, where someone looks like maybe opened the door or something, but you kind of have to look at it in the right light to see it. Otherwise, yeah, all nice and straight. Interior is pretty well spotless, never been smoked in or anything like that. And back seat. And under the bonnet, it's the V6. Again, it's had every service it's ever been due for. Only repair that we've ever done on it. We had this aircon hose redone. Apparently the mechanic told us it was a common thing, so we replaced the hose with something that was better than the original way they had it. That's the only repair we've ever done on this car. Yeah, other than that, she's been a beaut. How do you pop the boot in this car? See, you can even tell it's an old lady who's been driving it. Isn't she beautiful? Yeah, massive boot. Yeah, like I say, everything works the way it's meant to work. Yeah, cool.